pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dreamland.
It's been a really rough week, guys. We started off at the hospital. Yeah, my baby fell sick. We noticed that she was running night fever for 2 nights, so we had to eventually take her to the hospital on Monday. That was the first thing I did on Monday morning. Got to the hospital. Thankfully she's feeling a lot better now. We ran some tests, they found out what the issue was, and they gave us some medication which we have been giving her, so she's a lot better now. She wasn't even, she wasn't bad, like she was still active, her appetite was good, she was just running temperature. So that is sorted out now, but that puts me off this week. As you can imagine, my week started off rough, but it's looking up. Today is Friday. Yay. And the federal government has announced Monday and Tuesday as public holidays, so I have a long weekend. I'm looking forward to all of the rest that I'm going to get, hopefully. I also plan to braid my hair finally. Did you guys see that report or research or whatever about braiding hair causing cancer? See, at this point I think it's just better we just pick our battles, because it was nails, the dryer we use for acrylic nails. I still do my nails actually, but I try not to do it very often. And some people switch to press-ons because everybody's scared of cancer, obviously, as they should be. Then they said relaxer causes cancer as well. A lot of people went natural. I went natural before then. I have been natural. Now, even the protective styling that we use to, maintain the natural hair, now there's an issue again. But I don't know. I did not hear the news before my plan to braid. So the last braid that I made, I did not know it was going to be my last braid. So I'm going to do I'm going to braid my hair. Not one last time. I'll probably still braid my hair again, but I'll just reduce the number of times that I braid my hair, because braid is my preferred hairstyle to wigs. So maybe I'll just switch it, use more wigs and less braid. But yeah, I plan to braid my hair on Sunday. I even need to call my hairdresser. But yeah, my week is looking up, and I have a long weekend ahead. I'm also making and eating abacha today, so yeah, I'm really excited. She's here. I'm so excited. When I got this order, I was so happy. I'm still so happy. Now I don't know whether I should just add it to my to be read list, or if I should just read it immediately. But like, I like the anticipation. I'm one of those people that like to keep new things for some time, enjoy it being new before I eventually get into it. Well, I received this and I'm so excited to read this book. Yeah, that's the only reason why I turned on this camera today, honestly, to tell you guys that I finally received her. I'm just going to go back to work now, finish work, eat my abacha, and then I'll see you guys on Sunday. I don't plan to vlog until Sunday, so I'll just see you guys then, or maybe tomorrow. We'll see.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, you are really hurting me.
total amount of hair loss. It's quite a lot actually. Man, I'm so tired this morning, so tired, but I have to braid my hair. The hairdresser is on her way. I just like to detangle my hair before they start doing whatever to it. It makes it easier. Most hairdressers don't know how to handle natural hair. She's a braider, so hopefully we finish before 4 o'clock so that I can sleep. I'm just going to sleep for the rest of today. Hi guys, I'm looking really cute today. It's so unusual for me to be in my vlogs with makeup on, but yeah, I look really cute. Today is sort of content day, so I've created like a bunch of short form content for TikTok. I hope you guys can hear my husband in the sitting room, but yeah, I've created a bunch of short form content for TikTok, but I do not like the way that they come out. I filmed it with my phone using the back camera, but it looked so weird. Now I'm looking at myself and the makeup is so good on my face, but the video itself wasn't so good. I'm hoping that it's just my eyes deceiving me, and when I go to edit it will look better. If not, I'll have to reshoot those videos, and that's a lot of work to redo again. But hopefully they are good enough to use. That aside, it's been almost a week since I last vlogged. You guys have not seen my hair, or you're seeing it now, but the last time we talked, it was the day I was loosening my hair. I think, yeah, that was the last clip you guys saw of me loosening my hair and preparing to do the hair. Yeah, this is the outcome of the braid. I'm a braids girl. This one that you're seeing, there's carcinogen in braiding hair. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but this looks so cute, and my makeup just makes me love the hair even more. I'm just admiring myself in the camera. I have a few things I want to show you guys before we end this vlog. The first one is my daughter's milestone pictures. She is 10 months today. Exactly today, she turns 10 months. I don't know if you say turn 10 months, but yeah, she's 10 months today. So I want to take her milestone pictures and also film her hair routine. I'll do a proper video for that and post, but I want to show you guys like the behind the scenes sort of. I'll just put like little clips here and there before we end this vlog. She's somewhere, hopefully she's fed already. I just need to beat her and then we'll do the video. I'm praying that she cooperates. I really hope that she cooperates. She's in her jumping around era, so I'm hoping that she's still for me to do the video. The hair care routine is not a long thing, it's something that we would do every day anyway, so I'm hoping that she will allow me film that. But yeah, let's go.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you...
Doing anything with a child is a struggle, I swear. Doing anything at all with a baby is just so... See the person that was crying 2 seconds ago. You will fall from there, you know. Do you have any defense for yourself? What's that? What's your defense? I've given up. I don't think the milestone pictures is going to be possible today again. I'm tired. I can't deal with her again. I'm going to leave pictures for you guys here and this is the point that you subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.